Hi everybody, in this video you're going to learn how to do a lark's head knot. Each cord you're going to fold in half, and taking that center loop, you put it over your dowel, bring it around, grab the cords through the center of the loop, and pull them through. Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to make a spiral knot. Starting with 4 cords, and we're going to start on the left. You take your leftmost cord and make a 4. This cord, furthest out on the right, you're going to cross in front of the left cord, pass it behind, and bring it out through that hole. Hold the center cords as you tighten up your cords around it. You're going to continue the same knot on the same side. As you do this, you'll notice that your knots start to twist a little bit around the center cords. And so when you're pulling tight, you want to make sure that you're pulling at the same angle that your cord is facing. When you get to this position where it's hard to pull this way, you can turn your whole knot around and start again, always on the same side. So you'll notice when knotting on the left, your spiral knot twists to the right. So to create a spiral in the opposite direction, you want to knot on the other side. So I'm going to start on the right, make my backwards 4, cross this cord in front, pass it behind, and out through that hole. Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to do a square knot. You're going to start with 4 cords, and we'll start on the left. You take your outermost left cord and make a 4 pattern. With this outermost right cord, you're going to cross the cord in front, pass it behind, and pull it out through this hole here. Hold the center cords as you tighten up the outer cords. And now you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So with your outermost right cord, you make a backwards 4. This cord goes over front, back behind, and out through this hole. Here's a tip: if you forget which side you just did and which one to do next, look at where the last bump is that you did, and that's the side you're going to start on. So I see the bump there, I'm going to start on the right. And when I complete that knot, now the bump is on the left side. Another thing you can do is use more than 4 cords to make a square knot. As long as you have 2 on the outside and at least 1 on the inside, you can have up to as many as you'd like on the inside. So let's start on the left again. Make a 4, cross in front, pass behind, out through this hole, and tighten up around all of those center cords. Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to do a half hitch knot. You're going to start with your row of cords and you use the outermost cord as your lead cord. You pull your lead cord to whatever angle you want your knots to go in. You're going to take the cord behind and pass it in front of your lead cord, around the back, and then out through this hole that you've created. When you're tightening the knot, you want to make sure that your lead cord is at the angle that you want. You're going to go on to your next cord. Keeping the lead cord at the same angle, pass the cord around the front of the lead cord, back behind, and through this hole. Again, making sure that the lead cord is at the same angle as it was before. Keep going one by one through all of your cords.